Good morning, guys. Lillian with Lily Ray's Collection. Today I am here to select the winner for the 1 year anniversary of my channel. And also this is a tag that I made last Saturday, and there is a process video on how to make this tag. And so I'm gonna go ahead and pick one winner today. So good luck to everyone. I hope to have this is the first time I'm using this randompicker.com. So let's see what happens. Kathy D. And actually on my next giveaway, which I will have in the next month, I failed to ask that everyone be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. Those are the requirements. So anyway, Kathy is the winner. Congratulations, Kathy. Please contact me via private message through Facebook, and I will get your winnings to you. And there is that beautiful tag that I've created. So no worries, next month we will have another giveaway, and you will have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel in order to qualify. Alright guys, thank you for joining me, and take care.